Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video we're going to be talking about how the media controls Aurora stock. Every time Aurora stock rallies, somebody comes out. I don't care if this guy has a bad track record or whatever, but every time Aurora stock rallies, somebody always comes out and says, "Oh, Aurora stock has problems, everything is, sell the stock, do whatever," but there's always some kind of negative media for Aurora. Aurora is surrounded by negative media, and the only way for Aurora to fix their problem is for them to come out with some kind of news that basically will change investor sentiment right now. Right now, investor sentiment is really negative, and Aurora stock is selling off because articles like this is coming out and trying to get retail investors to dump their shares, and causing the stock price to go down. To me personally, I want the stock price to go down. I want it to go down as much as possible because the lower Aurora goes, the higher return on investment it becomes. It sucks for bag holders. Absolutely. People who are bag holding sucks. That's why bag holding is never a good thing. Learn to read charts. Learn to read the media. If the media is negative, if the stock is downtrending, at this point, you just gotta be careful. You just gotta be careful. That's why I sold out of my position, because the media is so negative. The stock is downtrending. It's breaking resistance level. Everything is saying sell, 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 sell. But I still believe in the company long term. I just think that the decrease in price stock is just a buying opportunity. You don't make money on a company that is doing well. You make money on a company that is doing extremely that has decreased in price a lot and recovers. AMD is a good example. AMD used to be a $2 stock. Right now, it's a $48 stock. When it was below $2, people were talking about bankruptcy. The current CEO, Roy Reeds, was canned from his job. Everything was negative about AMD. I bought into AMD thinking that AMD could compete with Intel in the future. And it was right. But it broke my expectation. I didn't think it would go to $48. It did, but I didn't think it would. But I'm saying that Aurora, the lower Aurora goes, the higher return on investment it becomes. It sucks for people who are bag holding. Absolutely. That's why, that's the way it is sometimes. Bag holding sucks, and averaging down also sucks because, that's how I see things. Unfortunately, that's just the reality of it right now. Shorts are attacking Aurora stock. $1.70, already down 15 cents this morning, and I think it's gonna get worse. That's my opinion. Unless, like I said, the only way for Aurora stock to reverse at the moment is basically a news press release. Aurora needs to come out with some kind of news that basically reverses the trend of the stock. And maybe they're not ready. Maybe there's no news. Earnings report could also be a big catalyst, but at the same time, it can also drop the stock further. So, like I said, right now, the best way to support Aurora is to buy their product. Do I buy Aurora products? Absolutely. I bought so much Aurora products over my lifetime. Aurora also has really good gross margins, so they made some major mistakes, which led to the stock price declining at this price. But it's just an opportunity, in my opinion. But we'll see what happens. I think that Aurora stock could drop to $1 US. I've been saying this for a while. It could drop to $1 US. Will it? I don't know, but I think it can. That's my opinion. So we'll see if that actually happens. I have money to pile onto the stock if it drops to $1 US. Definitely do. I definitely believe in the company, and I definitely will be buying heavily into the stock when it drops to $1 US or lower. Because like I said, I believe that Aurora has a plan, and I believe that the lower the stock price goes, the more of an opportunity becomes for big return on investment. Because what goes down must come up eventually, unless the company is going bankrupt, and I really do not think Aurora is going bankrupt. Hexo, how many negative articles are on Hexo? Not very many. Not very many people are saying Hexo is a sell. Hexo is going to zero. Hexo is going bankrupt. Nobody talks about Hexo, but everybody talks about Aurora. There's always a negative article on Aurora. I personally do not like Hexo, but there's so many negative articles on Hexo, but there's no negative articles on there's no negative articles on Hexo, but there's always a negative article on Aurora. It's just how the media works. Aurora rallies, the media come out, tell that downgrades Aurora, then the stock sells off. It sucks, but that's the way it is. Canopy growth this morning is down, probably because of Aurora. Cron is probably down, probably because of Aurora. Ooh, wow, 4.26%. Could be a good, at a certain point, could be a good call option. I still, Cron is safe. They have billions of dollars on the balance sheet, and they're not going anywhere anytime soon. Afria is down this morning probably because of Aurora. And Tilray is being manipulated to the downside, probably because of Aurora. T-God is down this morning because the entire market's down, and like I said, when T-God was at $3, how many people were negatively talking about T-God going to $0? Nobody said T-God was gonna go to zero, but it did. It went below $1. It's trading at 67 cents, but at $3, I was the only one that was talking negative about it. I was saying that T-God is not gonna rally, back to $5-6. But nobody was talking about downgrading a T-God down to 69 cents. Nobody. But everybody was talking now everybody's talking about negative about Aurora because they're trying to get the stock price to go down lower. Today the market is slightly green, just slightly. Oil is down. Not too much to say about that. Could be an opportunity to scoop up some shares of oil stocks. Chap this morning is trading sideways. Not too much to say about that. Chesapeake Energy down to 77 cents. Tesla this morning, it had a massive crash in the morning, and then rich people came in, bought it up, and now it's up $483. Beyond Meat this morning is another rallying day, up another $4.72. Not too much to say about that. Besides that, Beyond Meat is uptrending, and I wish I bought into the stock when I wish I bought into the stock. Right now it's kind of scary because I would be, I would basically gamble that the stock price is going higher. But yeah, it's kind of scary, and the return on investment is not that great. I just wish I I wish I bought some call options on it. I would have been super happy right now, but oh well, too late. AMD, I think it's too late. I mean, I can still gamble that the stock could go above $100 because I think it will go above $100 in the near future here. But also a possibility that it could go back down to $90 or lower. It is out of the Bollinger Band, So I'm expecting it to have a pullback, but at the same time, it could go to $100 in the short term here. So, really risky at this point, but at the same time, it is uptrending in a big way. So, kind of sucks that I didn't put my money in at the right time. Oh well, that's life. Sometime I talk about it all the time, but I didn't buy anything, and now it's going up. AMD today has a pullback. Apple, oh my God, what, $311, $312. Licking my lips. 83. RSI levels at 83. I totally think when earnings come around, unless earnings were like super fantastic, I think there's going to be a massive pullback after earnings. That's my opinion. So I bought some Oxley Cannabis today. Ooh, I said the C word. I hope I don't get demonetized. I bought some Oxley today because I'll be making a more dedicated video on Oxley. I wonder how many people are interested in Oxley. I think it's a decent company. The only thing I don't like about this company is the fact that it has a huge amount of shares right now, and I don't like that. But I like the company overall. Besides the dilution, it's pretty decent. And if we look at the chart, it's the lowest it's been was probably about 53 cents. It could go back down there again, but the lower it goes, the more of an opportunity becomes. Liberal health science this morning is just flat, not really doing anything. It was up in the morning, 61 cents, up a penny. Now it's just trading sideways, flat. Vireo Health International down 2.68% this morning, 4 cents. Cresco Labs trading side. Ooh, 758. Tasty. Thinking about picking up more shares, definitely. So I'm hoping that this stock goes down. The further it goes down, I am a shareholder. I do have a position in Cresco Labs. The lower it goes, the more likely I'm gonna pick up more shares. I do believe in Cresco Labs. True E this morning, up 15 cents. Not too much to say about that. Man this morning trading sideways. Cura Leaf this morning is trading sideways. Slang Worldwide is down a penny. Bitcoin is not doing too much this morning, just trading sideways. And High Blockchain Technology, no volume, 7,802 shares. This is like absolutely nothing. This is like somebody putting like $1,000 in. So no volume this morning. If Bitcoin skyrockets, I bet you High Blockchain Technology will skyrocket too. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.